Hi, I'm Bonnie Megowan, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to tighten or attach the swivel on our twister shear, but this might be relevant to other shears. This one here, you see it's like way too loose, and if you keep cutting with it and cutting with it and cutting with it loose, it's eventually going to come all the way off. When it starts getting loose, it's time to look at what to do. So first of all, you can tighten it, which is pretty easy to do. On this particular shear, it's just a screwdriver. You might see other shears have a different type of maybe a hex tool or something like that. And you would just tighten it or hold it with a screwdriver and turn this. But I'm going to show you how to permanently attach it, and it's pretty easy to do. So hopefully you have not lost these washers that are on here. See, there's this one happens to have white washers. Sometimes there's black washers. We do sell these. We call them donut washers. And they come in different sizes and thicknesses. Sometimes you'll see them black, sometimes white. I've seen them orange. But you do need those washers on here. Sometimes if the washers are too big, a thinner washer might actually attach it better. And you're going to want to put a little bit of glue right there. Now, nail glue works pretty good. I was having trouble finding glue today. You can put the glue on the threads if you want to. I might put this glue inside here. I want it where it swivels. Is it coming out? Yeah, there's definitely glue in there. Super glue, nail glue, whatever. I just happen to be a fan of nail glue. And before it dries, screw it back on to the shears. And you're going to hold this with a screwdriver. And if you can hold it with your hand, just tighten it. And that feels a little tight to me. Get it to the right adjustment. And that glue should hold it into place. So it's turning. It should be turning here on that rod and not turning on the screw. So if that doesn't fix it, hopefully you've bought them from a company like Bonika Shears that has a lifetime warranty, and our lifetime warranty does cover this, so just send it back and we'll fix it. If for some reason we can't fix it, we'll replace it. But we do sell the little washers that go in here, but sometimes just your regular smaller screw washers will work. Maybe it might have to double them up. But that's how to fix the swivel that comes loose in here. And then I would let it dry a little bit because I used nail glue just like you would on your fingernails. Let it dry a little bit before you start using it and doing a lot of wiggle to it. But that's all there is to it. Hope that was an easy video. I have a lot of tutorial videos more about sharpening, but also shear repair. Welcome to my Love to Cut channel. And if you love to cut and you have a shear that comes loose like this, and you need to reattach it, you don't want to call your sharpener, you don't want to send them back, even you, a hairstylist, even if you're not mechanical, you can fix these.